Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very easy and fun nail art tutorial. What we are going to do today is known as the Smooshy nail art technique. All that you need to do this nail art are some nail polishes and a small piece of plastic. I have cut my piece from a grocery store bag. Begin by painting your nails with the lightest shade from the nail polishes that you've chosen for this nail art. You can also paint your nails with a coat of white. Apply some liquid latex or Fevicol around your nails and cuticles for easier cleanup later on. When your nails and liquid latex is dry, start dropping blobs of the nail polishes that you've chosen onto your nails. For the best look and effect, make sure you place only a few drops of each color onto your nails. When you're done applying all the colors onto your nails, take your piece of plastic and place it over the nail. Then, very gently start squishing and dabbing the colors with the tip of your finger. This will give you the smooshy effect. When you're done, very carefully remove the plastic from your nail in a swift motion. Repeat the same process on all your nails one by one. It is important to do only one nail at a time so that the nail polish doesn't dry out and you get the perfect smooshy effect. If you're not happy with how a nail looks, you can repeat the process one more time on it, but make sure the previous coat is completely dry, else the plastic will start pulling off the nail polish from your nails. When you're happy with how your nails look, it's time to clean up. Remove the liquid latex and then use a brush dipped in acetone or nail polish remover to remove the excess nail polish from around the cuticles and skin. At this point, the surface of your nails might look a little rough and not smooth. When you're done with the cleanup, apply a fast-drying top coat or a clear coat onto your nails to bring everything together and get a nice, smooth, shiny finish. And there you have your beautiful smooshy nails. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please remember to like, comment and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.